Hi everyone, welcome back. Summers are right around the corner and the struggle to pull off a makeup look in the intense heat is real, especially if you have combination or oily skin type. But don't worry, keep watching this video to know all the tips and tricks that I use for a long-lasting and a sweat-proof makeup. I couldn't emphasize enough on how important it is to prime your skin. It truly is a game changer. Make sure you apply it all over your face, especially in the T-zone area. If you feel your skin feels oily after using a primer, very lightly dust your face with a translucent powder before applying your foundation. This trick will help absorb any excess oils and give a matte base for your foundation. Tip number 2. It's important to choose a formula that works well with your skin type. For oily skin, go in with a foundation which has a matte finish and is long wear. Start with the product from the center of your face and work your way outwards to get an even coverage of product. Do not drop the foundation directly onto your skin. Work it in light layers and build only where required. This way your makeup won't look cakey and will last longer. Tip number 3. Set your face with powder in the T-zone area and under your eyes to absorb extra oil and hold the foundation in place. Tip number 4. Here's one tip I wish I knew before. Use powder-based products to contour, highlight and apply blush. This is because cream-based products may cause your skin to become more oily, especially in summers, or cause breakouts if you have acne-prone skin. Moving on to the last step, for a long-lasting makeup without having visible texture of powders, make sure you apply a setting spray. This will give a matte and budge-free base for hours without having to worry that your makeup is melting. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.